Okay, another unboxing with the envelope included, of course, from Amazon. Eventually I'll start getting stuff. There's something I want from Best Buy. Look at here. We got J Edgar. You know, Hoover. So, let's crack this baby open. And it comes with a, I believe I bought this used, if I'm not mistaken, or I might have not. No, I think I bought it for like $7 or something like that. 7 something. Okay, this is the fun part of unboxing. That's why I like to take the plastic off. But as you can see, it's got a lot of stuff on here. Paste, but thank goodness it's on the plastic here. Okay. Let's hope it's on the plastic. Well, what do you know? It's not. It's all on the freaking cover. How about that? I'll have to peel that off at another time. Oh, it comes right off. That wasn't bad. Yeah. So, a little plastic off there. Back of the cover. Nice slip cover. Yes, I'm glad I got this one. I've seen the places use and stuff, and it's never in a box like that. The slip cover. But here we have it here. And is the back any different? The back is slightly different, but not much than the box. Okay, let's crack this baby open. Oh, we got the number here. Okay. We get, this is what you get when you open up J Edgar. You get the DVD by Warner Brothers, and you get the Blu-ray. Let me make sure I did this right. This is the Blu-ray, and this is the DVD. Catch you later.